Today I'm going to show you how to host your Node.js applications using Oracle Cloud. So firstly, you want to sign in or sign up if you haven't done so. Then you get to this page. Then you want to scroll down to go to create a VM instance. Then you want to change this to whatever you want. So I'm just going to change mine to Spider Mike because that's my username. Then you want to edit the image and shape. You want it as Oracle Linux 8. Then you want to change the shape. Then you want to be put on the AMP. Then you want to select this one, the only one you can select. Then you want to change the number of OCPUs to 4, which will also change your RAM to 24 gigs. So that should be fine. Then you select shape. And network, you don't have to change anything with that. And then SSH keys, you need to download both of these, but I've already got a VPS to show you, so I don't need to do that. Then for the boot volume, you just keep everything the same. After you set all this up, you want to press create, but I'm not going to do that because I already have one. Next, you want to go into Google and type in Bitwise. Click the first link, go into download, then download the SSH client. After that, you want to open it. After opening the SSH client, you want to go to your VPS panel, but to get to mine, I've got to go compute and instances. But when creating yours, you should go instantly to it when it's created. Then you're at your panel. First, you want to start it if it's not already started. Then you want to copy your public IP address on the right hand side, then minimize. And you want to put that in your host. Then for the port, you're going to put 22. And for your username, you get it from VPS panel and it's always OPC. So you type that in. The initial method, you want to use your public key. Then the client key, you want to put that on auto. Next, you want to go to your client manager. Then you want to import new. Then you need to go down here to all files. Then you want to find your SSH private key, which should be this one, and import. But mine already exists, so yep. So after that, you should be good to log into your new VPS. And you can see here it established the connection. Now you want to go to the left side of the client and go on new terminal. And once that's opened, you need to type these commands in, but I'll put them in the description for you. This will download Node for you. After the first one's done, you want to sudo yum install. Make sure when you copy and pasting, you right click so it actually gets copied. And finally, this will install DevTools. But obviously I already have it installed, so it will look a bit different for you. Now after setting up Node.js, I'll show you how to add your bot to it. So you want to go to the new SFTP window, click on it, and this is your files on the VPS. So I set up a test file to show you. So all you do is drag and drop, and there you go, it's added it. And this is a test bot, you can like edit it and everything, but you will drag your own bot in, for example. So after that's done, you're fine. So now we go back to your console and type ls, and you can see all the files in the main directory. So then go to the main one. Then you can do npm install your modules, but I don't have a package.json, so I can't just do npmi. I've got to do discord.js. After that, you want to install pm2, so you can run your bot while you're not connected to the console. Now you're ready to run the bot, so pm2 start and the file name. I ignore all these are all other bots I've had on the VPS. Now pm2 logs, and you can see the bot logged online. Now you can see in Discord the bot is completely online, but I can't show you any commands because this bot doesn't have any. And yeah, that should be it for setting up 24 gig free VPS.